Hello friends, today at Aryan Silks we are showing you ikat silk cotton saris. These are hand woven saris, designer, and this is a tradition of South India. These come directly from Pochampalli near Hyderabad and they represent our hand weavers. I'll show you all the saris one by one. If you like any saris from this, please text us at the number given below, or you can also write to us at silksaryan@gmail.com. I'll show you all the saris now. This is the first sari I'm showing you. Ikat Siko sari, silk cotton sari. This is a hand woven sari which comes directly from the weavers. This is the first sari, light sky blue sari with turquoise blue shade of pallu. Can you see the ikat design here? The grey shade with a small tinge of mustard yellow, and there's a tissue border here. This is the sari. Take a clear view of this sari. If you like this particular sari, please write to us. This is the pallu and this is the sari. There's a blue, turquoise blue blouse for this. This is the blouse. A uniquely woven sari, handmade. You can write to us if you like this sari as sky blue and turquoise blue sari. The next one here comes, which is a beige sari. This is a beige based sari, beige with darker grey ikat prints. There's a tissue border here which is black again, and there's a nice black pallu, a designer pallu for the sari, and we have a plain black blouse. This is the sari. Take a complete view of this sari. Very traditional. You can use it for all simple occasions. Lightweight saris. A mixture of silk and cotton. So that makes it very elegant and simple. You can also use it for office. You can also use it as a daily wear sari. This is the third sari which comes in off-white color. This is an off-white sari with a multicolored ikat print. This is the border here. Hope you can see the border. Green, maroon and tissue. There are three colors here in the border. Nice print off-white, and there's a pallu here. Hope you are getting a view of the pallu. This is a greyish pallu with ikat print, and we have a blouse, plain blouse for this also, a dark greyish blouse with the same border. We can also customize blouses for this. If you want to customize blouse for any of this sari, we will do that for you. The next one coming is Rama green sari. This is a Rama green sari with ikat print again. Beautiful color. Look at the color combination. Rama green with leaf green combination, ikat print. And there's a tissue, pink tissue border here, a bigger border. Some people nowadays like bigger borders. Hope you are getting a nice view of this ikat border. And there's a pallu here. Can you see the pallu? Yeah. This is a pink pallu with ikat print, and there's a blouse, pink blouse with the same border. If you like this sari, you can write to us saying Rama green. Friends, these are really lightweight saris, as I mentioned before. You can pick them up immediately. You would love to wear these saris, such traditional. This is a copper sulphate blue sari. Copper sulphate blue sari with greyish ikat prints and some small tinge of yellow and pink all over to make it even more brighter. There is a small border here, black border, and the pallu. The black pallu, hand woven saris, and I will show you the blouse. This is the plain blouse with the same border. Hope you are liking all these saris. If you are liking these saris, friends, please do write immediately These are fast moving sarees now. And this one comes with yellow color with a small tinge of green. You're getting a nice view. Yellow, green and red border, red tissue border here. Looks very bright. This is the pallu. The pallu here and the blouse. The blouse here, the plain red blouse with the same tissue border. This is the saree, very bright and has unique color combination. All these sarees come with different color combinations and each saree is different. Every saree is a designer piece and this comes here. This is a black ikat saree. Beautiful. Black with maroon is a great combination. Small mustard yellow combination. There's a tissue border here at the bottom. This is the pallu, greyish silver pallu, light greyish silver blouse and the same border for the blouse. Friends, I told you we can customize blouses for this. We can get some small hand embroideries. We can design these blouses. Here comes again a black saree. A black seco saree with yellow border, yellow tissue border. This is the pallu and there is a blouse here for this. Yellow tissue blouse. This is the saree, nice ikat print. Simple, I told you, edge elegant. Wonderful sarees, light weighted. You can wear these sarees for the whole day. You can keep them light. This is a greyish saree with a green border. A greyish saree with pink ikat prints. And there's a green tissue border and the pallu. This is the green pallu. You're getting a view of this pallu. And there's a green blouse here with the same tissue border. This is the saree. Friends, mention the colors when you are writing in the comment section. We will deliver the same saree to you. These are very fast selling sarees, very light weighted sarees. You can order them ASAP. Please write to us. I am waiting for your responses. Thank you.